We're making Italian coffee in Italy at Lake Como. My assistant is going to fill this thing with coffee. We're using a famous Italian coffee. Let me show you the name of it so you can see. Oh, my thumb's over it. That's not right. That's it right there. It's Tosto Classico. Okay, go ahead. She's filling it up.
How much did you put in?
I put it up. That's good because it's pretty strong, the other one that we made. We got to smush it down. Yeah, that's it. Pack it down.
Pat.
Oh, that looks good. Okay, now we have to fill the bottom up with water. So let's move this out of the way. So that's the bottom. Might want to clean it out a little bit first. Then we fill that up. Not all the way. You got to get it a little bit more. Because you got to get more. That's pretty close. That should work. Yeah, then you slide that in there and you should be good. Okay, good. Now we got to screw the top on. All right. You got to screw the top on. Okay, good. Excellent. Now we got to turn the stove on. Well, we got to light it first. So what you're going to do is you're going to press down on it, turn it to the left.
This one?
Yeah, I think so. There we go. You got to hold it for a second. All right, there you go. All right, now we got to set that on top of there. And we just got to wait for it to boil. That's it.
How do I join it then?
You should be able to.
Getting there. Listen, you guys, we hear something. We hear something. Oh yeah, look, it's boiling. It's almost done. All right, so I'm gonna turn the heat off. So it's hot, the handle. So she's gonna use
Look, they
this.
have little tiny, what are these
Protect your fingers from heat things?
What is that called?
I have no idea. Oh my
What are
God.
these called? For when you pick
Pot holder.
pot holder.
Pot holders, right? Grab
In
the
this
pot.
case, it's a coffee holder.
And then let's heat
We're
this one up.
gonna put a little bit in there.
Oh, that's good. That's good. All right,
Keep that rest.
let's try it. Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, that's perfect. Does not get better than that. Italian coffee in Lake Como.